In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can search for specific filters on TikTok. Okay, so TikTok doesn't have like a filters search bar for specifically filters only. So you kind of need to have an idea about what type of filter that you want to search for. So to do this, just tap on the Discover tab from your homepage of TikTok. That will load up the Discover page, and then you want to tap at the top in the search bar. And you can just type in anything like a topic. So I will type in anime for an example, and I'll type anime filter. So that's my keyword. I want to see all the anime filters, and then I'll just hit search. And there you'll see it says effects, and then all the different filters that have anime in them. And you can tap on this see more button to see more of the filters, and you can scroll and have a look at all these specific filters. And you can also tap on the videos tab, and then you can tap on a specific video, and if a filter is on the video and it's available for you to use, you will see this filter button there at the top with that little wand, and you can actually tap on that. So I'll tap on it really quickly, and it'll take you to the filter page where you can add it to your favorites or try this effect. Now, the second way that you can search for filters is if I go back and then I go back again, just go back to the home page of TikTok, and then I tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center. To go to the TikTok camera, you'll see a button here that says effects. I can tap on that effects, and you can search for trending effects or filters, new filters, if that just loads up, and all these filters here that you can search for. So those are mainly the two different ways of how you can search for filters on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.